Hello, everybody. AJ Paima here with Paima Real Estate Team. I just thought share a little bit of a market data with you guys. The stats are out for February from Toronto Real Estate Board, and the market seems very, very crazy. I don't know if crazy is the right word for it. However, just thought maybe share a little bit of data. I would wanted to keep you guys informed, and a lot of people are asking this question: why is it happening? What's happening with the market, and why is it happening? So this might put a little bit of a light on curiosity per se. Typically how the market operates is we look at two numbers. We look at year over year and month over month. So I just want to share that with you. In 2020 first, 2021, this year, we had an excessive sale of 10,970 in comparison to 7,193 last year. And obviously that tells you, a lot of you guys observing the news in the market, that the market is crazy. So that's the number of sales over the two period. And then this chart here, I just want to also tell you, full disclosure, this chart is from Toronto Real Estate Board sends us this. So this is not information that I'm claiming. This is coming from Toronto Real Estate Board. Market Watch comes to us pretty much every month and share these stats with us. So that way we can keep a close pulse of the market. Back to the numbers. The average property in a GTA, now this is average, it's not a micro market. If you guys want to know what's happening with the micro market, that's going to be a little bit more of an intense data that we got to go into the market and pull some statistic from that market. This is average GTA from February 2020 to 2021. As you can see in the chart right here, in the February last year, the same average home in a GTA that sold for $910,142 end up by selling for $1,045,488. So that's a significant amount of gain in terms of appreciation, pure appreciation for people that have been living there for that period of time. We also look at the summary of year over year, and we look at looking at the same sales that we look at prior 2020 and then 2021. If you look at the difference in terms of percentage wise, we're up number of sales. This is units selling in a GTA, resale homes, 52.5% over the course of 1 year period. Now, the second thing we look at is how many new listings are coming in the marketplace in comparison to 2020 and 2021. As we notice, the number of new listings are increasing by 42.6%. Now, what does that mean? That means basically sellers that wanted to sell or wanted to cash out, they're listing their home. So we have a significant amount of more supply in the marketplace that is available for purchaser. Despite the fact that we have this number higher, 42.6%, more new listings coming in the market, we're noticing the active listings that are active right now, they're down about 1% in comparison to last year. So a lot of you guys are familiar with Economy 101, the law of supply and demand. What that entails, that actually applies to everything and anything. What that entails, if the supply is low, demand tends to go up. And when demand goes up, where does the prices go? Up. Vice versa, if their supply goes up, demand tends to start dropping. And when demand starts dropping, prices start dropping as well, or adjusting itself. Again, looking at the average prices that we shared with you in the chart above here, back down here, 910,142 sale price in year 2022, February of last year, end up by selling $1,045,488. That's a gain of 14.9%. Now you can imagine, you can do the math in terms of numbers. You just take the $1,045,488 minus it from 910,142. That gives you a number of dollar figure as to how much these homes sold for. Now we also look at average days in the market down below. And as you can see, average days were 23 days in the marketplace as opposed to 19 days in 2021. So that's minus, meaning that it takes less time to sell the same home that we sold last year. I hope this information is value for you guys. I just thought to share that with you and kind of give you a perspective of what's happening in the marketplace. If you'd like to know more about what's happening in your marketplace, in your micro market, which could be a pocket, an area, or a street perhaps, love to share that information with you. You can reach us out at 647-298-3041. Be more than happy to actually just simply email that information to you without any cost or any obligation whatsoever. Thank you so much and have a fabulous day. Bye for now.